This new year, why not make a resolution that's fun, empowering, and easy to stick to? Our 375 Dance and Thrive program is a unique ballroom dance-based workout designed to help you improve your overall well-being. This 4-week program includes 30-minute self-guided dance workouts that you can repeat as often as you like. Detailed step breakdowns to ensure you feel confident and successful as you move. Additional resources to help you build a consistent, healthy workout routine that fits seamlessly into your life. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or just starting out, 375 Dance and Thrive makes it easy and fun to prioritize your health and happiness. Don't wait, our 50% discount ends in just a few days. Make this new year the start of something amazing and join 375 Dance and Thrive today.